Now remember, there was a protest in the national capital by activist Yogita Bayana along with the family members of the Unnao rape case victim. Now a UP minister, Mr. Rajbar, has claimed that what is the need to hold a protest in Delhi? OP Rajbar says that the Delhi court has stated that Sengar must stay 5 kilometers away from the victim's house. So what is the need to be holding any protest in the national capital? Listen in to that reaction.
देखिए, कोर्ट ने इस बात को कहा है कि सेंगर जी पीड़ित परिवार से 5 किलोमीटर दूर रहेंगे, ऐसा कोर्ट का निर्देश है। तो दिल्ली में धरना देने से पुलिस ने जब उनको कहा कि अब कोर्ट ने जब इस तरह की व्यवस्था दिया है, तो आप असुरक्षित कहाँ हैं?
My colleague Aman Sharma is joining us live from the CNN News 18 newsroom. Aman, what really has come about when it is about the Uttar Pradesh government and its ministers? First, it was Mohammad Akhlaq's case, and now it is Sengar. That entire life sentence for which the man was convicted for, this was a rape case after all, that stands suspended. And now this sort of a remark that's coming in from Mr. Rajbar.
See, Griha, I think 2 points to understand from this judgment which has come from the Delhi High Court yesterday. Mr. Sengar has been convicted by the trial court in 2 cases. Number 1 is this rape case with the victim, and number 2 for the custodial death of the father of the rape victim. In both the cases, he's been convicted. But what has happened in the High Court yesterday is that the High Court has struck down the Section 5C of the POCSO Act under which Mr. Sengar was convicted in the trial court. The High Court has ruled that Section 5C essentially stands for aggravated sexual assault, and it can't be aggravated sexual assault because of the MLA cannot be seen as a public servant. So that is what the court has said, that you can't term an MLA as a public servant, and that is why that Section 5C of the POCSO Act does not stand. That is a major blow to this case, because the section now which stands against Mr. Sengar, under that particular section, the maximum sentence is only 7 years in jail, and Mr. Sengar has already spent 7 years and 5 months. If he was upheld, that Section 5C was upheld, which was upheld by the trial court to convict him, then it would have been a life sentence. But that is, I think, the major blow. Number 2, the court says that you can't deny bail or relief to Mr. Sengar just because the victim is saying her life will be in danger if Mr. Sengar steps out of the jail. The court has said it is the job of the police to safeguard the victim. There's already CRPF protection given to the victim. It is the job of the CRPF to safeguard the victim, and they should be, they have been directed to ensure that you can't hold Mr. Sengar in jail just because of that. Now, the criticism of this is that, Griha, that not only the victim has suffered rape, her father was killed in police custody. Her 2 aunts and a lawyer have died in a mysterious car accident in which she accuses Mr. Sengar of, causing, orchestrating that accident rather. So she is claiming a real threat to her life, and that is why her lawyers are now saying that they will go to Supreme Court to appeal against the High Court verdict, because the High Court taking away Section 5C of the POCSO Act from this case is a body blow to the case, because Mr. Sengar would virtually walk free, though he is still convicted under the custodial death case of the father, and that he has got no relief, so he will stay in jail for now.
So this exact point that the court also mentioned, and under the observation saying that Sengar is supposed to stay 5 kilometers away from the victim's residence in the area where she resides at, all of that is nullified because he is in jail in this other case as well, Aman.
Well, yes, for now, Griha. For now, he can't step out of jail. But, Mr. Sengar can always use this judgment, and the relief is got in this judgment, to get relief in the other case also. He could go to the High Court and say, see, you have given me relief in one case. I am not threatening anybody. So give me relief in the other case as well, in which I am facing a jail sentence for the custodial death of the victim's father. So the apprehension of the victims here is that he may use this relief to get relief in the second case also, and virtually walk free ultimately. But I think it will be a tough task for Mr. Sengar, because in this case, as I'm explaining, only the POCSO Act provision has been taken away. Other is a proper murder case. So will the court give him relief in the second case also? It remains to be seen.
Right, Aman. Thank you so much for that input. We are now getting in some more reactions on this story.
मेरी सिक्योरिटी भी हटा दिया, सब तन की हटा दिया। मेरे बच्चन का खतरा है सर। हम कैसे जिएंगे, कैसे रहेंगे? हम बेटियों बहन के साथ खड़े रहेंगे, हमेशा न्याय की लड़ाई लड़ेंगे, पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। इनकी बेल खारिज होए सर, हमको तभी भरोसा होगा कि इनका बेल खारिज हुई है, हमको न्याय मिले। इनको बाहर आने से मेरे बच्चों को खतरा है, मेरे गांव में जाऊं, मेरे पैरोकार हैं उनको खतरा है, मेरे देवर का खतरा है।
पहले तो इन्होंने मेरे बड़े पापा को मरवाया, फिर इन्होंने मेरे पापा को मरवाया, फिर मेरी बहन के साथ कांड किया। कांड करने के बाद रेप किया उसके साथ। और फिर रेप किया। रेप करने के बाद फिर इन्होंने मेरे चाचा को झूठे केस में इन्होंने फंसा दिया, जेल में करवा दिया। जो एक लड़की को न्याय दिलाने आए, उस बात की वो सजा काट रहे हैं। उनको जो बेल दी गई है, हमको राहत नहीं, ना मेरे परिवार को राहत है। वो बाहर तो आ गए हैं, लेकिन हम लोगों को सिर पे खतरा मंडरा रहा है सर। धमकियां पे धमकियां मिलती हैं।
ये तो एक रूल नया बनाया जा रहा है, जैसे कि और जेल में है वो भी कहेंगे कि हमको फांसी की सजा हुई है तो उसको खत्म करके फिर सुनवाई की जाए। तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। पता ना कौन से कोर्ट कहाँ से हो रहा है ऐसे, ये तो पहले बार ऐसा हो रहा है। तो 500 किलोमीटर दूर रहो या घर में रहो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। फर्क ये पड़ता है कि आपने क्राइम किया है, आपको सजा मिली है। अपील करने का उनको हक है, या विक्टिम को भी हक है। तो कोर्ट को इस पे निष्पक्ष सुनवाई करनी चाहिए, विक्टिम को भी देखते हुए कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ है। बाकी बेल तो बिल्कुल नहीं होनी चाहिए।